besties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to do a beginner friendly makeup. For maybe this is your first time doing makeup and you want something that is quick, or you've been doing makeup but you just want something that is an everyday look. So today we're just doing the most simplest makeup that you will ever learn. So these ones are the ones that I use for my skincare routine. So this is Acne Solutions. So this is the purifying cleansing gel, and then I have this blemishes spot corrector, and then I mostly apply this one if I'm doing my makeup, which is the serum. So yeah, the skin soothing serum. All of them are for Acne Solutions. Cool. So I've already washed my face and prepped it. So now I'm just gonna be applying the makeup. So for my makeup, I'll be using the Maybelline foundation in color 351, and then I'll be needing a brush. I'll be needing my concealer. This concealer, oh by the way, this one I bought it for 250. It was on discount, but if it's not on discount, it's 370, I think, at Clicks. And then I got this from Makuleng for 15 rand, the concealer. And then my powder, this powder, I've had it for so long, I don't even remember where I got it, but it was 28 rand. And then I got this two sets. I got this from Clicks. It's the bro thingy combo. I got it for 60 rand at Clicks. So it goes with this for shaping your brows and for brushing them, and a tweezer. And then I've got my pencil, of which I just need to sharpen it. I got this for like 10 rand at Makuleng. And then yeah, that's all you need basically. And then I'm gonna use this sharpener because I lost the one that came with the pencil. So I'm not going to be talking, I'll just be doing the makeup, and then I'll probably do a voiceover.